The criminal trial of Donald Trump is underway for real, with the first witness called and the jury hearing opening arguments. The prosecution says the former president committed election fraud to cover up a sex scandal. The defence says actually no crime was committed. US correspondent Mitch McCann reports from New York.
This is the trial with the makings of a Hollywood drama. The president, the porn star and the payoff. And the lead actor is just as concerned about the court of public opinion.
What's going on right here should never be happening. It's a very, very sad day in America, I can tell you that. Thank you very much.
Donald Trump is accused of falsifying business records to cover up an alleged affair. Prosecutors argue he used his checkbook to buy and bury negative stories so he could beat Hillary Clinton in 2016. Matthew Colangelo opened the case today saying defendant Donald Trump orchestrated a criminal scheme to corrupt the 2016 presidential election. Then he covered up that criminal conspiracy by lying in his New York business records over and over again. At the heart of this case is the woman those payments were made to, the adult film star Stormy Daniels. She is expected to give evidence during the trial about her alleged affair with Donald Trump.
Did you want to have sex with him?
No. But I didn't say no. I'm not a victim. I'm not.
It was entirely consensual.
Oh, yes.
While prosecutors painted a former president at the helm of a criminal conspiracy, his defence team did the opposite when it was their turn to speak. Donald Trump's lawyer opened the defence case here in New York today with a single sentence: President Trump is innocent, and then went on to say that President Trump did not commit any crimes and sought to downplay the charges as a business records violation. Todd Blanche told jurors, "I have a spoiler alert. There's nothing wrong with trying to influence the election. It's called democracy." He went on to say at the end of this trial there will be plenty of reasonable doubt. Reasonable doubt is all Donald Trump needs. The jury will also hear from his former lawyer now testifying against him. Michael Cohen went to jail for his role in all of this and says Trump knew every element of it.
First of all, nothing at the Trump Organization was ever done unless it was run through Mr. Trump. He directed me to make the payments. He directed me to become involved in these matters.
Matters that will almost certainly play a role in the next US election, 6.5 months away. An acquittal could significantly boost Trump. A conviction could almost kill his campaign and see him sent to prison.
And Mitch is with us now from New York. Kia ora, Mitch. Whew, a lot to unpack there. What can we expect from court tomorrow?
Yeah, kia ora, Mike. A lot going on there. The first order of business tomorrow is actually a hearing outside of the trial itself relating to this gag order that was placed by the judge against Donald Trump. So a couple of weeks ago, the judge said to Donald Trump, you cannot attack potential witnesses anymore on social media or in person. But the prosecution argues he did that anyway, at least 3 times, and should be fined around $3,000. So that hearing will be held tomorrow morning. Then we'll hear from David Pecker, the first witness. Now, he is the former publisher of the National Enquirer magazine. Now, he is accused of being part of the scheme where they would catch negative stories and then kill them before reaching the wider media. So we're going to hear from David Pecker tomorrow and potentially learn a lot more about Donald Trump's life before he was president.
Mitch McCann, tēnā koe.